Rental car companies are issuing a spree of damage charges, deposit withholding, fuel fee, etc. In this video, I will give you a few points on how to deal better with them. I understand that this could be frustrating and it may sour your day and even your holidays, but let's do a long breath and start sorting it step by step. Step 1. Stay calm and communicate effectively. Don't spend your day trying to find a human representative. It's often better to use written channels, like emails or forms, as they are tangible evidence of your dispute. Step 2. Adjust your wording and communication with the rental company to their terms and conditions. Every company has their own rental conditions, and your dispute should be based on them. Otherwise, they may not respond or use it against you. This can be tricky, but to make this easier, I recommend using our service, notmyscratch.com, where you explain your case and we provide email drafts to assist you in writing your dispute effectively. In our system, we use AI to adapt your case to the rental terms and conditions. If you prefer to handle it all on your own, we recommend that you use an AI assistant like ChatGPT or Claude. Although they are not specific tools, they will be better than a manual email. Step 3. Evidence. It's important that you gather as much evidence as you can to support your claim, from obvious, like photos or videos, to rental contract and communications. Last but not least, timelines. It's important to know how long to wait for a response, when to send a follow-up, and when it makes sense to escalate. This depends company to company, country to country, and it's key for dispute success. We wish you the best on your case and hope this guide helps you improve your claim. We know these charges are often unexpected, expensive, and infuriating, and we hope to help you and make companies desist of such practices once and for all. Bye.